All right, guys, let's go make some carrot cake. Come on with me. We're gonna make a recipe that I absolutely adore. We're gonna make carrot cake today. It's a very simple recipe. I don't like to put too many complicated recipes on my blog or my page, something that's easy to follow. You don't have to find a lot of ingredients, but it's things that you probably have on hand already in the kitchen. So let's get started. All right, so we're gonna start off with 2 cups of sugar. We're gonna do the wet ingredients first so we can get it all mixed up. And then we're gonna go with 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And then we're gonna add in 4 large eggs, 1 cup vegetable oil, and we're gonna give this a mix. We're gonna add in about 3 cups of shredded carrots. It may seem like a lot, but go with it, You'll have to do the dry ingredients for this recipe. All right, 2½ cups of regular flour. You want a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. You want 1 teaspoon of baking soda. All right, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And you want a 1/2 teaspoon of allspice. You can always add walnuts to this. That's optional. You don't have to do that. Also, you can always add crushed pineapples with a little bit of the juice. You don't have to do that. All those things are optional. It's really preferably up to your taste. Let's give it a mix. So we're going to put our dry ingredients with the whip. I prefer to use my hand versus the stand mixer at this point to incorporate everything.